Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best CX-9 window motor is probably one of the most overlooked components in your vehicle, until it fails, of course. Today, we're diving deep into the world of window motors, specifically for the Mazda CX-9. We'll explore why a faulty window motor can be a real headache, and more importantly, how to choose a reliable replacement that won't leave you stranded with a window stuck halfway down. Number 5. 3 Mirrors Window Motor Gear Repair Kit for Mazda. Is your car window making strange noises? This kit provides a quick and affordable solution. It's designed to fix the problem efficiently. These gears are made from durable nylon, a superior material compared to the originals. This ensures long-lasting performance and reliable window operation. Instead of replacing the entire motor assembly, which can be expensive, this kit offers a cost-effective alternative. It's the best choice for your budget. This kit is a direct fit for your original window motors. It's compatible with various Mazda models, including the Mazda 3, 5, 6, CX-7, CX-9, and RX-8. The full set includes all the gears needed to fix your window motor. This comprehensive kit is the fastest and most economical way to restore your windows. 3 Mirrors provides lifetime after-sales service. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We are here to help you. What we like. This kit features high-quality nylon gears, a significant upgrade over the originals. It's designed for a long-lasting fix, ensuring your windows operate smoothly. If you're looking for a budget-friendly solution to noisy or malfunctioning windows, this is the perfect choice, saving you money compared to replacing the entire motor assembly. What people say. Overall, all gears are matching the OEM design. They fixed the problem and saved me hundreds of dollars as I did not need to replace the whole mechanism. Both the driver and passenger windows now go up and down smoothly and quietly. If your motor starts grinding or having issues going up and down, this is very likely the solution to your problem. This is the most cost-effective solution and very easy to replace. Number 4. Syconeer Power Window Lift Motor from Mazda. Is your car window acting up? Does it take multiple tries to roll up or down? This motor is the solution you need. This Syconeer motor is built to last. It prevents premature wear and ensures smooth operation. It's designed with reinforced materials and a powerful motor. The motor receives signals to move your window up or down. It transfers power efficiently, ensuring optimal window speeds. If you experience issues, this is the part to replace. It replaces OE part numbers GJ6A5958XF and others. This motor fits various Mazda models, including Mazda 3, 5, 6, CX-7, CX-9, and RX-8. Check the list to confirm compatibility. Order from Syconeer for a worry-free experience. The product is fully tested and comes with a 12-month warranty. Get yours today. What we like. This motor is built with top-quality materials to prevent premature wear and ensure long-lasting durability. It's designed for quiet operation and smooth window travel, restoring your window function. If you're experiencing slow or erratic window movement, this motor will provide a reliable and efficient solution. What people say. The window motor fit perfectly and was easy to install. The window motor works great and the window goes up and down much faster now. The product was exactly as described and works perfectly. Number 3. Syconeer Window Lift Motor from Mazda. Are your car windows acting up? This Syconeer window lift motor is the solution. It's designed to restore your windows to their original smooth operation. This motor is built to last. It prevents premature wear and ensures long-lasting durability. The reinforced materials and extra torque motor design prevent failures. Enjoy quiet window operation. The motor is assembled with the precise amount of lubricant. It matches the regulators for smooth travel and optimal window speeds. Experiencing issues with your windows? If it takes multiple presses, or the speed is off, this motor can help. It can also fix clicking sounds or windows that won't stay up. This motor fits various Mazda models. It's compatible with Mazda 3, 5, 6, CX-7, CX-9, and RX-8. Check the fitment to ensure it's the right fit for your vehicle. Purchase with confidence from Syconeer. The product is fully tested before shipping. It also comes with a 6-month warranty for a worry-free experience. What we like. This motor is crafted from reinforced materials and features an extra torque motor for enhanced performance. It's designed to prevent premature failure and ensure smooth operation. If you value reliability and want peace of mind, this motor, backed by a warranty, is an excellent choice for your Mazda. What people say. This item looks and works exactly as the original, and was relatively easy to install. This is a OEM replacement and it fit right in. I used dielectric lube for the electrical connections and put the screws back in, put the door panel back on. And it sounds and works just like factory OEM. Installed in less than 5 minutes. Simple plug and play. I guess more like remove old piece with some 10mm sockets, put new piece in. Works. Yay. Number 2. Dorman 751-855 Power Window Regulator for Mazda. This power window regulator is engineered and tested to match the fit, function, and performance of the original. You can trust it to work just like the factory part. The product has undergone extensive testing. It was tested by cycling thousands of times in an actual vehicle door, ensuring a long, trouble-free service life. Designed for a direct and seamless fit, this regulator is reverse engineered to match the original equipment's shape and dimensions. Installation is straightforward. Engineered in North America, this product benefits from a long history of automotive aftermarket experience. It's a reliable choice for your vehicle. To guarantee this part fits your specific vehicle, please input your make, model, and trim level into the garage tool. This will confirm compatibility. What we like. This product is a trustworthy replacement, engineered and tested to match the original window regulator. It's designed for easy installation, providing a direct and seamless fit. If you're looking for a hassle-free replacement that restores your window function, this assembly is the ideal solution. What people say. Perfect fit, easy swap. Works great. It was a great fit and my window works great now. Works as intended and perfect fit on our 12 Mazda CX-9. Number 1. Power window lift motor for Mazda. This power window motor is designed to match the original part's fit, form, and function. It's built to work with your vehicle's regulators and glass paths. This ensures smooth window travel and restores your window function. Made from reinforced materials, this motor is built to last. It features an extra torque motor to prevent failures. This design ensures a long lifespan, giving you peace of mind. This motor fits multiple Mazda models, including the 3, 5, 6, CX-7, CX-9, and RX-8. It's designed for specific front and rear window positions. Please check the fitment details to ensure it matches your vehicle. This replacement motor matches OE numbers G22C5858XF, GJ6A5858XC, D01G5858XB, and 742-802. It has undergone rigorous testing to ensure long-term reliability. You can trust it to perform. We offer a 24-month warranty. If the power window lift motor fails, cracks, or has any other issues, we've got you covered. You can rely on our replacement or refund service. What we like. This window motor offers an OEM fit, ensuring it matches the original part's form and function. It's crafted from reinforced materials for a long lifespan. If you want a reliable replacement with a long warranty, this motor provides excellent value and performance. What people say. Perfect fit for 2011 Mazda CX-9, easy to replace. Works great. Part fit perfectly and works great 2007 Mazda 6. Easy to install and vastly simpler than replacing the motor plus regulator, which involves tearing the door down much more. The regulator is typically not the location of the problem people are experiencing with CX-9 power window troubles noises, it's more often the motor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.